Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to an unboxing video of the new motherboard I just got. This is the SABERTOOTH X79 motherboard. If you watched my previous video, I got my socket. This is socket 211 processor for this motherboard. This is PCI ready 3.0. Can do. It's a beautiful motherboard, but I'm going to open this up for you because I have not actually looked at this yet. Opening these boxes are always a challenge. How do we open this? Oh, wrong direction. And here we have, look at that. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Nothing like having it in a nice box. Before we do that, let's look at the components. We have SATA cables. This is an SLI bridge, so if you want to do dual cards. Back plate for your desktop. This is a SATA 6 cable. This is a little mini, this is a, what is it? It's a little mini CPU, not a CPU fan, it's a little fan that goes on the motherboard itself. We got some screws. These are my light LED lights, power grid for my reset ground power. And then we have my instruction manual. We got some stickers, installation, certificate of reliability, SABERTOOTH X79 motherboard. Cool, cool, cool. That's actually, I haven't actually gotten one of those. That's not, I didn't have that in my older motherboard. Manual right here, tell me I'll do all my stuff I need to do. But let's take a look at the real thing, and that is this beauty right here. Now make sure if you're ever going to touch your motherboard, the first thing you want to make sure is that you have, you've touched some metal so you don't have electricity on your board. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is the official board. It's actually, wow. Okay, let's start with the back of this first. We have, instantly right at the top here, we have USB 3.0. We have, I don't know what that green cable, does anyone know what that green cable is? Look at that. I'm not familiar with what that is. I've never seen one of the green cable thing. Then we have more USB. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got 9 USB ports. Audio settings, obviously. We got a little system BIOS right here. What is USB? I'm not sure what that is. There's a sticker right there. I probably take that off, but I think that, is that eSATA? No, that's not eSATA. That's a FireWire port. But anyone know what that green thing is? I don't know what that is. I'll probably look at it when I do the actual board, build it. But then we have PCI slots, or I always reverse which ones are which. There's a PCI and then the PCIe. I always get them confused which one's actually which. No, this is PCI X2 right down here. And then this is PCI 16, so I can do dual cards if I want to. And then there's a third one down here. And I think this board can also do 3 cards at once. This is something that's new. This actually has a little installed fan. Most boards do not have a little fan, which I'm not sure what this exactly cools, but it does something. Then right here is where we place the motherboard. So this pops up, and we place the motherboard right there. Now, the interesting thing about this is these are quad memory. This motherboard has quad memory, meaning that I can store up to 64 gigabytes of memory in here. That's what's quad, so we have 4 slots here, 4 on here, so a total of 64, or I could go 32, or I could go 24, or I could go whatever I want, but I'm actually going to be installing 32 gigabytes of RAM in here, Kingston HyperX technology. If we turn to the side, we have these are SATA 3s and these are SATA 6. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got 8 slots so we can do hard drives and SSDs. These two are SATA 6, specifically designed for small SSD drives. I also picked up an SSD drive for this specific computer so I can have this thing go flying blazing when it starts. Everything, these little pins down here are all little fan components, and that's about it. That's everything on this board. But so far, I really like the whole black layout. It kind of looks really slick, especially this top part up here. I don't know why, but it's layout's nice, and I'm looking forward to putting this into my computer and running this thing maxed out and overclocking it. So thanks for watching, guys. This is my unboxing of the SABERTOOTH X79 motherboard. Thank you.